Hi guys, before we jump into the video, I just want to let you know that I'm hosting 3 vegan group trips in 2026 and they are all available to book now. So we are going back to Korea in May for another epic vegan tour. So if you like what you see in this video, make sure to book it now. Last time it was completely sold out. After Korea, we are heading to Japan for the first time, and those trips are actually happening back to back with a couple of days in between. So if you want to take advantage of that long flight to Asia and come to both, then you are more than welcome to do so. And if you want more of an outdoorsy adventure, I'm hosting another vegan camping and hiking trip in the Canadian Rockies in August. This trip, guys, was absolutely amazing last year, so I cannot wait to host it again. These trips are booking up fast, you guys, so do not miss out and check out the description box for more information. The links are below to book now. Yo, welcome to Korea, everybody. Today is the first day of the very first Vegan in South Korea tour hosted by Cheap Lazy Vegan, aka Lazy Vegan Travels. Myself and my assistant D, we are hosting this first ever Korea vegan tour, and you guys, if you know me, you know I am extra excited. Why? Because I am Korean. Yes, I was born here in this beautiful country of South Korea. I love Korean food. Obviously, it's my favorite food. I grew up eating this food, and I moved to Canada when I was 8. Doing a vegan tour here just feels like a very surreal thing to bring people to my home country on a vegan tour. It's amazing. Okay, so we have a very, very full guest list. We have 24 guests, and then myself and D, we are hosting this trip. We're so excited. Getting a few things ready, and then we're gonna meet the group. Yay! We made it. Look at the group. We're all hungry and jet lagged. Yeah. We're on our way to the restaurant. Jay, you want to say hi?
Hi.
This is our guide / you're also a YouTuber.
I'm the guide. I'm also a YouTuber.
Yeah. What's your YouTube channel?
There are no English subtitles, so you may not find it interesting. So compared to Roger's channel, I've got only 50,000 subscribers.
That's still good.
So not great.
Too humble. Yay! Look excited. Yay! Oh, you dropped something. Yay! Love the hair.
Thank you.
Love it. Oh my god, it's raining. No. Oh no. It's a vlogging camera.
What?
And it's super good.
Wow.
But I don't vlog enough, but it's good.
Wait,
it's great for you. You should get it. Right.
His character.
Yeah. Is it really good?
Oh my gosh, whoever played him.
Oh, you got a fancy camera. Yay. So guys, hope you enjoyed. That's it. Let's go. Okay. I just want the shot here, even though it's just a salad. So I don't know if I'm gonna use.
Practicing your Korean?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Other than 감사합니다, what else have we learned? How's your Duolingo?
I'm level 9.
Ooh, is that good? Is that really good?
I feel like I know nothing.
Yeah, Duolingo takes forever.
I feel like Duolingo isn't for actual language learning. The dumplings.
How long does it like?
They're so good.
What the hell is in these? I was like, is this meat?
Hold on. Oh my god.
And then
Yeah, those are
the dumplings, you can eat with the pickled radish. It's good.
Oh yeah.
Oh, was it a set menu?
That's Korean fried chicken, you guys.
Oh my god, that's what I wanted last night. Yes, Korean fried chicken.
They were ready.
The dumplings are so good.
I knew I was hungry, but then I started
I
eating and I was like, oh.
I wasn't even hungry, and now I'm like, is it delicious?
We went to Sun Release.
All right.
감사합니다.
Gosh, this is so good.
Try it.
Oh, right now.
Yeah. Stop collecting it on your plate.
Right.
Is it good? Okay. My turn. Ooh, look at that. It's glistening. Korean fried chicken. but not chicken.
I hate that you have to put that disclaimer on everything.
I know.
So this is 탕수육, vegan 탕수육, vegan Korean fried chicken. Bunch of vegans over here. You want to try it?
Oh my god.
Is it good?
That's so good. It's like the biggest bite I could.
That's how you're supposed to do it? Okay, so here we go. Get the sauce.
So good.
This is jjajangmyeon, which is black bean noodles. This is like a Korean version of a Chinese noodle dish. It's the food of my childhood. It's very good. And then you mix it. Camera eats first. So we got some tteokbokki, jjajangmyeon mixed by me.
Oh no!
Second time eating jjajangmyeon today.
Yeah, same.
Oh my god, well, getting close. There you go.
Someone can use this plate if you want. It's a clean one.
Sure, thank you.
And eat the pickled radish.
Yeah, and it goes right with it.
Alright. Tteokbokki.
Nice.
And there's odeng, right?
Oh yeah, there's vegan fish cakes in there, I think.
There
There you go. Had to get some tteokbokki. It has vegan fish cakes, which I'm very excited about. Just gonna put it on top of my rice. Hold on. All right, let's try it.
Feels so good. Oh my god, yeah, you really can't grab a small amount. That does not exist.
Today's the first full day, aka the second day of the Korea tour. So let's go get some breakfast first. How's the kiwi? Is it good?
Oh, sure.
Breakfast time. Say hello. Introduce yourself.
Ina. Hello. I'm Christina.
Yay! It's very fancy over here. Look at this. Oh, morning. I'm down for this. I mean, if you like rice in the morning, I'm a fan of rice in the morning. So we got some rice.
Let me tell you briefly about the schedules for today's itinerary.
All right, we all have our hanbok on. This is our traditional Korean
Okay, is
wear.
everybody here? Where's number one? Number one.
One,
Number two.
2,
3. Raise your hand, please. 4. Where is? That's okay. 7. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 25. Okay, everyone is here.
Yay!
We spent too much time renting Hanbok.
We got our hanbok rentals, courtesy of Korean Tourism Organization. Everyone's wearing their beautiful hanbok. Yay! Look at us. We look so nice. We're just walking around Seoul wearing our hanbok because we're not. Look how beautiful everyone's hanbok is. So gorgeous. Look at that.
The entrance of the military band and the gate guards.
All the important buildings were built like symmetrically.
So just spent a few hours touring the Gyeongbok Palace. What do we think of Gyeongbok Palace?
Beautiful.
It is gorgeous. I
know.
And
Like royalty
the
here.
palace too, right? We're looking fabulous. Wow. And we are now heading to the next stop. Highly recommend renting the hanbok and visiting the palace because it's just a special experience. It's a special experience. Next stop is Bukchon Hanok Maul, which is a very popular tourist spot. We have to be very quiet there though because people actually live there and they don't like all the tourists being touristy. We're now at Chogesa Temple, which is a Buddhist temple in the middle of downtown Seoul, and it's always so gorgeous because they always decorate it like super well. They put so much thought into it, so much attention to detail, and yeah, we're just here for a few minutes and absolutely gorgeous.
Kilogram to 2 kilogram a day. Every day, really. So this all, yeah, very important thing is the salt. American people can.
Okay, we're at the kimchi making class. Everyone is chopping up some radishes. Apparently, it's easier if you stand.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, one more please. Please send me that.
Here you go. Look at everybody making their kimchi. Yeah. Not yet, Linda, not yet. Oh, it's smelling pungent. It's smelling like kimchi.
Sorry, we were running. You get here like this. Jamal.
My mom makes it quite differently. Really? A little bit. Like, make the paste first, separately, and she adds like apples or apple pear to give it like a very refreshing taste. And then instead of shrimp, uses like kelp powder to give it a little bit of that seafood taste. But everyone makes kimchi slightly differently. Everyone has kind of their own little method. Yeah. But my mom's kimchi is delicious.
Love in a little bit leaf, okay? The next leaf, yeah, like this. Yeah, try like this, yeah. Next leaf, yeah, all one by one.
How's it going? Kimchi. Yay, kimchi. Okay, we all got our kimchi. Look at our proud creation. So, who won the best kimchi award here? Oh! Who got the best kimchi award here? Oh! Oh, look at you!
Eat as much as you want.
Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Are we ready? This is a full-on day. We are at the second last stop of the day. We are in Namsan Tower. 이게 이름이 이제 뭐라 그랬지?
Seoul Tower.
Okay, never mind. It's not called Namsan Tower anymore. It's Seoul Tower. It used to be called Namsan Tower, and it's basically an observatory, even though it's raining right now, so we can't observe much, but we're here anyways. We just took a cable car up here. We have done a lot today. Today is full on. Woo! Energy, energy, energy! Woo! I don't know if it's energy or we're just going crazy at this point. Seoul Tower. Oh, fancy. Where are we? Oh yeah, it does kind of look like. So guys, welcome to game one. Oh. Alright, we made it to the top, but unfortunately, it is giving very cloudy and it is very hard to see anything, which we thought would happen, but it's pretty bad. Anyway, still cute up here. Honestly, we got kind of lucky because the morning when we were walking around in the Hanbok, it was actually not raining, so it kind of worked out perfectly. And then by the time we returned the Hanbok, that's when it started to rain. So in terms of actual timing, other than this tower, it would have been nice to see the view. When we were outside, it was actually like not that bad. Guys, we can't see anything. No. What are we gonna do? Walk in, it's just fog. Yeah. Oh well.
It's the oldest vegan restaurant in Seoul. Yeah.
Hello, are we dead? Are we alive?
Inside or?
We're inside and warm. Where is the bathroom? I have to pee.
Is it like stinky tofu?
No, it's not stinky tofu, but it's fermented soybeans, so it's gonna have like a fermented smell.
It's strong.
Okay, we're liking it. We're liking it. All right. I overfilled my plate as per usual.
I did too.
The doenjangguk is very good.
Which one's the tin? That one?
This one.
That's one I'm so excited to eat.
On a rainy day, this is perfect. Usually it's made with like anchovy soup, but you would use like kelp baby for the base, and then the doenjang, which is like fermented soybean. So we would use kelp instead of like fish to make it like vegan. And then the I don't know what else they use obviously, but like doenjang paste. It's the paste. So
So if something tastes good or if it's like delicious, how do you say that in Korean?
맛있어요.
That's the say. But I don't hear people say that all week.
The pancake is so good.
I know.
야채전, lotus root. It's good, right?
I was like, delicious, healthy, not heavy on the stomach.
This is my favorite kind of food. And that is it for part 1 of the Korea vlogs. More coming soon. Don't forget to check out the trips happening in 2026. The links will be below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!